How's it going, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of Fishing with DYangBass. We are at a spillway that I used to fish when I was a kid. I mean, I came here and there back then too, but let's just say it's a spillway of big fish, right? It's a spillway filled with big fish. The water level is a little higher than normal, so we're gonna go ahead and change things up a little bit, throw some plastics. I'm looking at it right now, the water is raging, like it's raging out. We're gonna go and see that together. I don't have much to say, man. I just woke up. I drove like 45 minutes here the other day and I caught that walleye, so I was sleeping really good. I was sleeping with a happy face, you know. So yeah, let's get out there. Let's go have some fun and let's see if we can hook into a fish. So stay tuned. Well, I see some footprints, so somebody's got to be here. Oh, it's been fishing here. Wow, the water is higher. This creek is flowing. So, I mean, it's not that bad. It's okay. Yeah, this spillway used to be one of my favorite to come to, right, when I was a kid. I got you guys on the mic because this dam is really loud. So we're just going to make a couple casts. It's actually really shallow. It looks deep, but this spillway is actually very, very shallow. We can just see if there's anything here. I don't know. I honestly don't think there's anything here, but you never know. Just going to mess around here and it might end up pumping flies. This side might be a little too fast, honestly. Just a little bit. And I'm snaked. Jeez, Snake City, dude. All day. It's Snake City, man. Oh, I got some, dude. I got some big. Oh my gosh. I got something, guys. That's not a walleye, dude. That's a big fish. I don't know what it is. Oh my gosh. Oh no, don't do it, don't do it, do it. I think it's a carp. Oh my gosh, it's tugging really hard. I got a 6-pound test, so just gotta tire him out. What the heck is this? It's fighting really hard. I don't want to break my rod, it's just a light action rod. Oh my gosh, he's really heavy. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, it's a carp. Dude, he crushed it. Oh my gosh, he crushed it, dude. What the heck, carp eat jig? Wow, first carp of the year. Look, crushed the freaking jig. That is way cool. Come on, buddy. Yep. Like, I even felt them like pin it down too. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. All right, chill, relax, relax. Yeah, they're very powerful fish. Very powerful. And they're very slimy. All right, here we go, guys. That right there, I guess a common carp, you would say. It has whiskers, and it's really creepy looking in the camera, but that's a carp. We're gonna let it go. Catch and release. Yeah, they're very tough fish, so they're fine. Well, that was cool. I gotta find this correct lighting here. Maybe because I'm pointing at the sky. But got him. Let's try to see if we get a walleye, the right species, you know. I say it was weird because I felt him crush it, like he pinned it down. That's why I wanted to set the hook. Got some. It's coming out. And it's really big. Oh, what the hell is this? Oh, it's a fish. What the heck? Yep, yeah, that's a fish, dude. That's a fish. Oh my gosh. It's really heavy, dude. I feel like I'm being pulled into the river. This does not feel like a carp. I could be wrong though. Hold on. I don't want to spook him. No, it's a carp. Gotta chase him. It's a buffalo. He just hooked weird. Oh my god, it's a big ass buffalo. Big buffalo. Massive. Whoa. Why did he fight so weird? I thought it was a flathead. That thing's so big he didn't want to move. Oh my gosh. What the hell are you doing here? Is that time of the season already? Oh jeez, you're huge though. You are freaking, oh my gosh, you're freaking massive. Oh my gosh. Why are you so big? Oh my god. You're like, you're so chunky. What the hell? Bro, relax. Oh my gosh, dude. I'm sorry guys. Bro, you're so freaking fat. Oh my gosh. Dude, look how big it is. Oh my god, I've never seen one this big, like this fat at least. Dude, oh my gosh. Just chill, shawty. Okay, chill up here. That's insane. Like I said, don't worry, they're really tough fish, so they'll survive. Guys, you guys will not believe this. Guys, look how big this freaking buffalo is. Oh my gosh, dude. It's freaking massive. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look how big this thing is. Insane, dude. This is giant. Look how fat it is too. Oh my gosh. Look at that fish, guys. Try to get a good quality recording here. Oh my goodness. That thing is massive. I'm gonna let her go. She is an absolute behemoth. Alright, I'm gonna let her go so she can lay her eggs. I feel so bad keeping her. But look at how big she is, bro. Like a Pokemon. Whoa. Dude, that thing was like extraordinary big. Like usually I catch them, they're long and like skinny looking, ugly looking. But that one was just straight up tall, man. Insane, dude. Yep, got one. That is a buffalo or a carp? Oh my gosh. This thing's pulling really hard. I don't know what it is because like I said, there's flatheads in here, there's channels, there's buffaloes, there's carp, there's everything, man. We just gotta find it really slow so they come up to the current here. What you don't want them to do is go downstream. If they go downstream, man, you cannot bring this guy out. Not on 6 pound test at least. Whew, my arm's getting tired. Nope, stay. Don't go downstream. Do not go downstream, please. Holy workout, I'm cramping up. Nice and slow, just so it doesn't spook off as much. Really big carp. The trick here is to let them tug like 3-4 times and then tighten up your drag and pull them in, to get them exhausted. But you never just want to go in for the rail, and just start reeling them in. Just want to play with them, get them tired out. But you don't want them to fight too long because if they fight too long, they regain their energy and then they're going to start kicking off again. This fish knows. It knows that it's getting shallow and it's like panicking. Just a big carp. Still fun to fight and show you guys how powerful these fish are. I'm pulling it straight so it doesn't break my rod. 6 pound test only, man. Gotta be careful. That's a freaking behemoth. Of course, it's a foul hook, but you guys don't know, carp, you can legally foul hook them and keep them, right? People call them trash fish. I don't think so. I mean, look how beautiful they are, you know? So, I'm just gonna let them go. It's a big carp. Beautiful. Look at the scale on that thing. Amazing. Okay. Let's go. Wow, what a fight. All right, guys, so that pretty much sums it up because I tried a few spots. I went around, fished around the area, downriver, upriver, anywhere that I could think of, and nothing. You know, the only spot was that spillway there. Like I said, that spillway is known for some big freaking fish. And when I say big fish, I'm talking about like carp family. If you do snag them and you decide to keep them, cool, right? Cool. But if you snag them, and me personally, I just don't like people like throwing them on the shore because it just stinks. It stinks up the whole area. I don't know why people do that. Just if you're gonna dispose them properly. Throw them in the little disposal garbage that they have sitting around, the public disposal garbage. You know, I can't control anybody. They could just watch this video and, you know, spread the words that don't throw fish on the ground. It just makes it that much more nastier. You can't bring family, friends, you know, people to go fish out there because nobody wants to fish around a carcass fish, right? It smells bad. Called that giant buffalo. That's a beautiful, beautiful big buffalo. That's what I'm saying. I don't understand why people throw them away, right? They're so beautiful. Throw them back in the river. But yeah, big buffalo, big carp, 2 big carp. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I tried everywhere else, nothing. So with that being said, short video, subscribe, like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.